Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be products I used up and would I repurchase these products again or not. And yeah, I was keeping all the products I already used up just to show you guys what I'm going to buy again and what I'm not going to buy again. And yes guys, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first product I wanted to talk about are these simple cleansing facial wipes. They're for sensitive skin, and as you can see, I used up all the wipes and they were pretty good. I mean, I was using one wipe to remove my entire face and they work pretty good, especially with my sensitive skin. I have eczema, you already know, and they're not making my skin dry, or they're not making my you know what I mean? Sometimes facial wipes or makeup removers can be very like aggressive to your skin, and they can make your skin very even more like sensitive or like red. They can make your skin itching. They can make your eczema even worse. But these facial wipes were pretty good. They work with my skin pretty well, but the only like issue with this product is this. You can see every time when I'm opening this and I'm like taking a facial wipe, it's not possible to stick this again, and basically this is staying opened and the wipes are drying, and the next time when you are trying to remove your makeup, they're not like you know what I mean? I mean, they're a little bit dry, and it's not like you're not getting what you should get from this product. So basically, I'll be buying this product again, exactly, but I want them to change the packaging, to change this little thing here, so the wipes can be more like juicy, and they will work so much better when they are not dry. And yes, but in general, I like this product. Let me know what type of facial wipes you are using. I know there is so many other brands, but let me know which one is like the best and I'll be trying. But I really like this product. Okay, next I have 3 shampoos from Acure Organics. You know, I like their products. I use natural and organic skincare products. And these shampoos from Acure work amazing with my like eczema. You know already I have eczema, and this is the volumizing one. They stay clean and not getting oily until I'm washing them again. And I really enjoy how this product works. It's like $10, but it's absolutely worth it because all the ingredients are natural, all the ingredients are organic, and everything I used from Acure is amazing, like everything. They have the most amazing products, and I already used up 3 of these shampoos. I'm using the 4th one and I already have the 5th one. Exactly, I'm going to buy this product again because this is the most amazing shampoo I've used ever, which works with my sensitive skin, which works with my hair, and I really like this product, and it's so worth it. I was trying a few other shampoos after this one, and they don't work with my like hair. My hair are getting very oily for like after one day, and I'm washing my hair like every 3rd day. And yeah, I don't like other shampoos because after using this I can use any other shampoos. For now, this is the best shampoo I've used ever, which works amazing with my hair. And yeah, I love this product and I highly recommend this shampoo, and I'll be buying it again because I really like it. Okay, this is a skincare product from the brand Josie Maran, and this is one of the most amazing oils. I've talked about this product so much on my channel. You already know I love this product, and I used up this product I was enjoying this product so much. This is amazing, very lightweight, you can't feel it but it works amazing. This is their argan oil and this is the light one. I've used so many other oils but this one is like really lightweight. You really can't feel it on your skin but it works amazing, like amazing. On the next day you have the most moisturized and soft skin ever. I really like this product, how it works with my skin, how it works with my eczema, how moisturized and plump is my skin when I'm using this product. And yes, exactly, I'll be buying it again because I really like it. The next product is a face mask from the brand Fresh. This is their rose face mask. Every time when I'm using this product, first it smells like roses and I love it. When I'm using this mask, every time when I'm using this mask, my skin feels soft, my skin feels plump, and I just enjoy this product. Yes, this is a little bit expensive, this is like $62, but this is amazing. If you want like instant results, if you want to see like your skin plumped, moisturized, like this is a luxurious product and I really enjoy this product. And yeah, I already used this one and I already have the second one, which I'm very excited to use it. And yeah, I'll be buying this again because I really like it. Okay, the next product is a facial oil from the brand Tarte. I already used 2 of this. This is the second one and I'm already using the third one. This is very like thick. When you're comparing with Josie Maran, this one is very like thick. You can feel it. This is a very like heavy facial oil, but it makes such a big difference. Any redness, any hyperpigmentation goes away. Your skin is plumped, your skin color is even, and I really like this product. And exactly, I will buy it again because I love it. Okay, the next product is this facial spray with aloe and rose water, and I really enjoy. I love this product. I really enjoy this product as a skincare to set my makeup. It smells amazing and it's so worth it, especially the price is very affordable. It's like $5 at Ulta and I really enjoy this product. And exactly, I will buy it again. I already did. I have the second one and yeah, I really like it. And the last product I wanted to talk about are these lip balms from Burt's Bees. This is in the flavor mango. I love this Burt's Bees mango lip balm because this is the most amazing I've tried ever. I have so many lip balms. I love them all. It tastes good. It feels good. I like it. It's very moisturizing. It feels amazing. My lips are moisturized always. It's very comfortable. It's really amazing, and I'm using the third one, and exactly I'll be buying it again because I really like it. And yes guys, this is everything for today's video. Please let me know in the comments what you want to see next, like PR unboxing, because I received so many PR packages again. And if you want to see PR unboxing, let me know in the comments. If you want to see full face of first impressions, because I have so much new makeup, PR, and so many products I've got with my own money. And if you want to see full face of first impressions with new products, let me know in the comments again and I'll be do full face of first impressions. And yeah guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, see you next time. Bye.